Hi guys, monumental day for me and Rupanjana today. She's my best she's my best friend. So we have come to the Park Street Cemetery, which is like the
Close got
oldest cemetery. So we have come to the Park Street Cemetery. It is the oldest cemetery in the entire freaking world. I guess
not
200
India.
in India. Oh, okay, in India, almost around 200 years old it is. So yeah, it's amazing, feels awesome. So we'll show you around.
1786.
Henry William, oh no, we were looking for कौन सा था जो दो, I think Sarah Pearson, right?
Yeah.
The oldest one to be buried here. Let's see if we can find it. It's just too cool. This huge ass tomb, and we are like going towards it. Like, can you just see? Wait, we'll take you there. Just look how big these tombs are. Like, you have to like strain your neck to see them. Experience
Country with a
100 of there's nothing written over here.
Is this just a like I don't know?
No, this is someone's tomb, bro. Wait, it's written here. Wait. STR William Jones, 1974.
This is also one of the most famous ones.
No, it's 1970. No, sorry, 1794. Restored. अच्छा ये restored भी किया गया.
I've heard somebody with a William Jones something who's one of the most famous graves here.
Yeah, because this does look. My goodness, bro.
Yeah,
Just see.
Beside it is older.
We are just walking through.
Who's that?
Yeah, we're just walking through this place, and like it feels so surreal, like to think these things, like these humans supposedly have been here for like 208 like years and more, with like just massive and beautiful things around.
And they made Indians suffer a lot.
Yeah, they also made Indians suffer though. These are all like British people ke graves hai. So yeah, but then just they knew their architecture, I must say. They knew it pretty well. Damn old, you can't even read. When did this place stop like working? So we're supposing that they stopped with their burial in the 1830s or 40s maybe, because they didn't have space. But then I get why, because there are like enormous number of graves. For a cemetery, it does have a very peaceful vibe, bro. I mean, I didn't
Very
feel any
gothic.
gothic peaceful, if that's your style, because it is our kind of like, yeah, pretty nice. I've been to graveyards before also, and one thing is common, that the amount of peace that is there, like people associate graveyards with, I mean, all creepy things, but there is a level of peace which can't be like matched, to be honest. One more thing we noticed is like about the crazy mortality rate in the 1800s. People are dying at the age of 27, 30. Like बहुत बुरा मेडिकल फैसिलिटी था ना वो टाइम पे, because you would literally die for the like छोटूest of reasons. So yeah, medicines for nothing kind of a situation. So obviously, so बहुत ही like young people का grave है यहाँ पे. But too much machhar, I can't. The machhar. Found another crazy grave of, I don't know who this person is, but then damn son. Let's see, रुक जाओ. नाम क्या है इसका?
ये क्या इसका इज्जत नहीं है क्या ऐसे फेंक दिया?
There's no name. Died without a name? What? Wait, we'll find out. I might have stepped on this bro while coming. That's a grave. Who keeps like this, bro? Damn. Okay, not to stab. Another crazy looking grave. Bro, that is. So guys, अगर भूत कहीं पे आना चाहिए इधर ही आना चाहिए because that's a banyan tree and both sides there are graves here also, like obviously. So yeah, that should be the place. But we were not in luck to see any as of now. I think we are gonna head out. We could not find Sarah Pearson's grave because it's like kind of very much difficult. We are heading out and let's see उसमें अगर मिल जाता है तो. But then it's quite difficult to locate because there is no direction given also कि, and there is no guide also है जिसको हम लोग पूछ भी सकते हैं कि who is resting where. So yeah, let's see if we can. Very crazy looking, like this legit looks like a shrine, bro.
Look at that one. It's so old and
Damn, again crazy. I have to give it to the Britishers, as I said, for the architecture level. They're like marvels. Can't really read the name though. Elizabeth Jane Bowell. यहाँ पे क्या 5 लोग एक साथ buried है हो सकता है. It's a multi-story grave, you can say. So we are heading out. We didn't find Sarah Pearson's thing because वो एक tomb नहीं है. It's like just on the ground, so even more difficult to find.
she was
And
19 when she died.
she was just 19. In the 1800s, the mortality rate was so expected, and I thought I've become a plant parent recently, but then I wanted to take very cute plants are there, but then apparently we should not take anything. Yeah, my beloved she said that we should not take anything, which makes sense though, we should not. So yeah, we are leaving. It felt amazingly peaceful, if nothing else. There is no booth factor, bro. Like, yeah, but then if you enjoy, like, I'm not a person to enjoy historical stuff, but then this is something very beautiful to look at, like very picturesque to look at. So yeah, definitely. Always wanted to visit this place. So yeah, very nice, very beautiful place, to be honest. Yeah. So we just spoke to the guards while leaving कि उन्होंने कभी कुछ देखा है कि नहीं वहाँ पे, but they said कि the night guards, they don't go inside and they don't stay till after 5.
The night guards do stay, but they don't tend to leave the station just if they see something and somebody hurts
So
themselves.
something होने से पहले ही they don't go.
Yes.
So there might be chances, or maybe it is just a placebo effect that there is a graveyard, so there has to be something.
I mean, it's a 200-year-old
Yeah,
plus
so-
graveyard. You wouldn't want to.
Exactly. So
And there's no light.
No light, yeah.
There wasn't a single lamp or
exactly
anything in there.
जो
so,
है वो हमने outlight like daylight में देखा. So yeah, that
yeah,
it
you
would-
won't be able to see shit.
yeah, so makes sense. But then yeah, उन्होंने सुबह कुछ नहीं देखा है, but what if? So they also don't go there for the what if factor, which gives the essence to a graveyard, I guess. So yeah,
I mean, it's 200-plus-year-olds. It's British. So.
yeah. All
And these
the
people probably did not like Indians. So.
exactly. So all the possibilities are there. So all in all, it was a great experience. How did you like it? Bucket list.
Very good for anybody who wants like gothic and that sort of stuff.
And beautiful in
Yes.
the same sense.
Gothic plus like you're invested in historical places or
Yeah.
obsessed with death, weirdly enough.
In a weird way, not like in that way. And also, अगर यहाँ पे आना है, what you can do is do a little bit of research so that you know who is who. Because we did little bit, that's why we found it interesting. ऐसे just August, so it will just be a graveyard. But then if you know Which person did what, for example?
We saw one important grave, William Jones.
Yeah,
He is one of the important persons.
yeah, and then South Asiatic Society.
Yeah.
That was the person
He was the one.
who
The
started.
Asiatic Society of Bengal.
Yeah, so you should, I guess, know these things, so you'll enjoy it better. So yeah, that's all it. Chalo, bye bye.